Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present content, here we are going to see the list of 103, that is 103 free online courses are providing by the Harvard University. So it is a very good opportunity, guys. You can utilize this one for improvement your knowledge as well as to get the certificate also. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. And coming to the present content of the video, here you can check down that it is the official website of the Harvard University. So anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video for your reference purpose. So here you can check down the free online courses from provided by the Harvard University. So total 103 online courses are there that you can check down here. Introduction to game developing, web programming with Python and JavaScript. Okay, so it is the most demanding course right now, and the prediction can lost without the longitude. And when you can check down the business, health and medicine, and the programming, okay, and the computer science, okay, humanities, fine. And you may check down here the topics also: introduction to digital humanities, ancient masterpiece of world literature, and the introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. So all these are now trending online courses, guys. So for example, if you want to, if you're interested any one of this course, then just click on that one. Okay, so for example, here I clicked on the introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. Okay, then you will be directed to like this, okay, to this web page. So here let us use machine learning in Python in this introductory course on the artificial intelligence. So nowadays the Python language is very trending. So like that, all the trending topics regarding the different departments are bringing here by the Harvard University for giving the free online courses, guys. And here the certificate is also available, but it is a little bit costly to the Indians. Okay, I will show you the price also, and you may check down here. The total 3,553 people are already enrolled. Okay, and you may enroll right now. The course is going to start from Jan 27th onwards. Okay, so like that, whatever the different online courses here are there, that you may check down based upon your interested department or else a specialization you belongs to. Okay, just choose any one of the thing. Just check down the details. Okay, you may enroll, and the length is 7 weeks. Okay, 7 weeks course, guys, it is. Okay, 7 weeks online course it is. So just think that how much knowledge you will get, okay, free of cost, and the 10 to 30 hours per week, and free. Okay, price is free. If you want to get the certificate, then you have to pay 14,521 rupees. Okay, so institution is a Harvard X, and the subject is computer science, and the language will be in the English. Fine. And here you may check down that what you will learn. So graph search algorithms, okay, what are the topics you are going to learn in this course also mentioned here. And you can also know about the who are the instructors are going to deal this course. So David J. Malan and Brain U, and their profile also you can check in the website or else in the Google also. So pursue a verified certificate to highlight the knowledge and skills you gain. Okay, so once you got the certificate, okay, this certificate will be very much, it will increase your resume weight, guys. Okay, and the lot of opportunities you may get. Fine. So official and verified, easily shareable. So add the certificate to your CV or resume or post it directly on the LinkedIn. And the proven motivator to support our mission. Fine. So the lot of opportunities are there and the advantages are there for this certificate as well as if you couldn't able to bear that much amount of money to get the certificate, then at least you can go through the course at the free of cost. Okay, so you can check down all these things are the free of cost. Only for the certificate you have to pay the money. Fine. So the certificate is also very much valuable, guys. Okay, so it will improve your opportunities. Okay, if you are searching for the job site somewhere regarding the discipline. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of online courses. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.